Hello, today we will guide you through how to ADD MACD to Thinkorswim. In this walkthrough, we'll add the MACD indicator to your chart so you can quickly spot momentum shifts and potential trend changes. MACD stands for Moving Average Convergence Divergence. It's built from two moving averages and a histogram that helps visualize the difference between them. Start by opening the Thinkorswim platform. Once the platform loads and your workspace appears, head to a chart you want to analyze. If you're already viewing a symbol, just make sure the chart area is active and visible on your screen. Next, look toward the top of the chart for the Studies control. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a button labeled Studies, or as a small beaker icon. This is where Thinkorswim keeps all technical indicators. Click it to open the Studies options, then choose Edit Studies to bring up the full panel where you can search and manage what appears on your chart. In the Edit Studies window, go to the search box and type MACD. You should see MACD in the results list. Select MACD to highlight it, then click Add Selected. You'll notice it move into the lower section that lists the studies currently applied to your chart. By default, MACD will plot in a separate pane beneath your price chart, which helps keep your price action clear while still showing momentum information. When you're ready, click. Apply to preview it on the chart, and then click OK to confirm and close the window. Back on your chart, you'll see three key elements: the MACD line, the signal line, and the histogram. The histogram bars grow as the gap between the two lines widens and shrink as it narrows, giving a quick read on momentum strength. Crossovers between the MACD line and the signal line often act as early momentum cues, while moves above or below the zero line can hint at broader trend direction. If the indicator doesn't appear right away, make sure the chart is selected and that you clicked Apply before OK. You can return to the same Studies menu anytime to remove or reorder indicators, or to keep your workspace uncluttered when you're done. That's all it takes to add MACD in Thinkorswim. With it on your chart, you'll have a clear, visual way to monitor momentum as you evaluate entries, exits, and overall trend health.